Fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Spinner brought into the attack. He decided to bowl that. Oh, that's a dream start for the fielding team. What a delivery. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Lucky not to have conceded more. Poor running between the wickets, really poor. Good shot for a single. Good batting. Lucky not to have conceded more runs. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. Came around quickly to cover the throw. Power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Beautiful. Get in line at the ball. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. To up the gear a bit. That's gone high. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Oh, that's the beauty of a delivery. They put a good all-round performance today, bowled well.